In this video, we're going to go over the chamfer function in ZooDesign Studio. So what is a chamfer? A chamfer is a bevel applied to an edge. Typically, there's many use cases, but one of the most common is for safety reasons and making sure that you don't cut yourself on sharp metal objects. It's very similar to fillet. And you'll even notice that the use case or how I do it is also very similar to fillet. So if I hit Start Sketch, let's make a cube. Do a center rectangle and exit and extrude this out. Let's extrude by 300 millimeters. Now I have some edges that I can work with. And so for this one, I will do these vertical edges. All you got to do is select chamfer, hold shift if you want to select multiple edges. I'll do all 4 edges, continue, and let's do a chamfer of, let's do 30. No, let's do 40. 40 millimeters, and there is our chamfer. Next, I'm going to show you how to do it in KCL. So first, let's open up the KCL code pane. And if you came from the fillet video, you're going to notice this is very, very similar. So we still have that get common edge function, and if you would like to know more about our functions, go ahead and read the KCL docs. And get common edge pretty much says, hey, what 2 faces are we working with, or what edge is in between these 2 faces? So for example, this edge right here, we're going to find the tag for this edge, find the tag for this edge, and then chamfer it. So let's delete one of them and go find it. All right, so we're trying to chamfer this edge right here. So we have 2 lines that we need to find, one of them being this one. It's this rectangle segment, A001, and these were automatically generated when I was doing the initial chamfer with the click and point interactions. And segment 01. All right, so we'll do get common edge faces equals, and then it takes an array. So we'll do rectangle segment A01 or A001, and then segment 01. And notice now that takes this edge right here and creates the chamfer.